The military industry never stops surprising. Turkey has unveiled TALAY, the world's first maritime drone capable of flying over the sea at high speed, virtually invisible to radar, and carrying devastating attack power. This model was designed by Solid Aero and is already ready for operation. TALAY can reach speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour, carry 30 kilograms of sensors or munitions, and stay on mission for about 3 hours straight, even in rough sea conditions. The secret to its efficiency lies in the so-called ground effect, which allows the drone to fly less than 3 meters above the sea surface, using aerodynamics to gain stability and speed, while staying below the detection line of traditional radars. In addition, TALAY can operate fully autonomously or under human control, performing patrols, reconnaissance missions, light cargo transport, or even direct attacks against enemy vessels. With its compact design, foldable wings, and an electric motor powered by LiPo batteries, it combines stealth, agility, and precision, capable of striking targets with artificial intelligence and pre-programmed coordinates. Experts already point out that a swarm of this type of drone could pose a serious threat even to large warships. Officially presented at IDEFDEF 2025 in Istanbul, TALAY is not just another experimental prototype. It is considered a model ready for use in real maritime and coastal defense missions. TALAY shows how naval warfare could change radically, with drones becoming smaller, faster, and nearly impossible to detect. Now the question remains, to what extent could these drones replace traditional military vessels in future conflicts? The Chinese company Unitree has unveiled the A2, a robot dog that looks like it came straight out of an action movie. It smashes through glass, performs flawless backflips, and tackles extreme terrains with impressive agility. Weighing 37 kilograms, the A2 can carry up to 25 kilograms while in motion and support up to 100 kilograms when stationary, showcasing extraordinary strength. It climbs 30-centimeter stairs, handles ramps up to 45 degrees, and can travel more than 20 kilometers without needing a recharge. The secret lies in its 12 high-density motors, capable of generating 180 newton-meters of torque, giving the robot balance and control not only to run and jump, but also to quickly recover from falls or collisions. In the demonstration video, beyond the backflips and glass-breaking stunts, the A2 is even shown carrying a person on its back, proving its resilience. For navigation, it uses LiDAR sensors in the front and rear, an HD camera, and even a front lighting system, ensuring precise real-time awareness of its surroundings. Designed for industrial and rescue use, the robot features dual swappable batteries for continuous operation, along with support for additional modules such as GPS, 4G, and even Wi-Fi 6. All of this is built into a body made of technical polymers and aluminum alloy, lighter and stronger than the company's previous models. The Unitree A2 is not just a demonstration robot, but a machine built to handle the toughest scenarios, from industrial inspections to rescue operations. The question now is, if a robot is already capable of such strength and agility today, what will happen when these models become common outside the industry? Did you enjoy the content? Then make sure to subscribe to the channel. This helps more technology grow and reach even more tech enthusiasts. On your screen, you'll find 2 recommended videos, one from our Clips channel and another from our main channel with full content and even more updates. Pick one and keep up with the latest from More Technology. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.